Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Congrad K Sangma hakalai tarik Nailur ula Pynher Lama jongkari ke jrong saupo mitar na atat PWD Barik Points. Yakini ke jaka ke sorkar Meghalaya ke lamang ban pynkylla syaga kper syntiew ke jaka iaid kai pyngngad bat ke jaka lehkmen lehsngewbha jong paidbah ke Jylla ke ban khring bun ba ke nongwan jngoh ya ke sor Shillong. Ke sorkar Jylla ke lamang ban pynlut haduh ars pa asan folklor tingka ban itenat bat ban pynkylla dur yakini ke jaka berok kawai. Kikam kijam kin sedang nadu urisau mentau snem la ong ke Khubor.
So let us all join together in this moment of anticipation and celebration with a big applause while the master plan and the plaque is unveiled. The master plan shows the plans laid out for Barik to turn it into an iconic landmark.
Thank you. To be part of this very, I should say, a historic moment, a very important moment, and I'm sure that when we look back after a few months, we will find this as a very significant turning point and an occasion in the history of our city of Shillong. Basic, of course, approach and idea is to beautify and make our city more green and more livable. You've seen the small video of what we are trying to do out here, and I'm sure that all of you will appreciate that once this project, which is going to cost us approximately about 25 crores, and we expect the work to start as soon as maybe October or maybe early November. We expect the developmental work to start depending on the paperwork that has to be done. Once all this is over and we have completed the project, I'm sure that, as I said, you will see a huge facelift and a change in this entire area. That while we are developing all of this, we are also keeping in mind the sensitivity of our people and the society at large, and ensuring that we are able to sustain things, we are able to ensure that we are able to keep the legacy keep the history of this place, and ensure that we intervene at a very minimum level and are able to, as I said, restore and keep some of the very, very important heritage buildings that are out here. Sometimes people have communicated to me mentioning that why are we breaking this whole place down? We want to be very, very clear to the people of our city that we are not going to damage or break down anything that is not necessary. We are going to try and restore and keep the heritage buildings out here intact. In fact, we're going to ensure that we restore them. We'll convert them into something that is very meaningful and something that can be utilized in a very, very important way. On a larger goal and a larger vision that we have, we want this particular location to be actually a symbol of the unity of our state. We want this particular location to be the symbol of unity for our country. And therefore, we are going to explore the different names. Barik Point is, of course, some word we have been using here for a long time, but we strongly feel we need to rename this location and something that will signify unity of our state, unity of our culture, unity of our communities, unity of our tribes, and the unity of our nation. That is really the larger message of this particular project that we are trying to do out here.